only God knows why. I'm just jealous of the angels around the throne tonight. You always made my troubles feel so small, and you were always there to catch me when I fall. In a world where there is come and go, where God just took the only one I know. So I hold you as close as I can, longing for the day when I see your face again. But until then, God must need another angel around the throne tonight. Your love lives on inside me, and I will hold on tight. It's not my place to question, only God knows why. I'm just jealous of the angels around the throne tonight.
Konti lang ka, baka katungan na. Nakakanya takando ka. Ano yung ano mo?
Ilaw na takando ka. Ilaw.
Bakit?
I'm just jealous of the angels
Lagi rin dagit o ano yun.
tonight.